Hello and welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. On this car, if you remember, on this Honda is a 2022 Honda Accord, and we did a couple of we did a diagnostic on it, and we found 4 codes. One is for low frequency antenna error, low frequency antenna error for the door lock, unlock, and startability. And we have also radar aim sensor here was no good, and also the one on the windshield there need to be adjusted. The cooling temperature sensor, exterior cooling temperature sensor, which is here, you see this here, we have a code. When we come, we drop everything down, we check the car, we realize, or we found that, if you notice here, this wire is cut. This is for the cooling temperature sensor code, and the sensor or ambient temperature sensor, and the sensor is located here. So what we're going to do, we have to take the connector out or the whole unit out, and then we try to rebuild the wire. It look like the wire is snapped, so we're going to rebuild. I don't know which one, which connector is supposed to be, but this is for that particular code. I am going to give you the information what code is there for that one, or if you can go to the video that I put it in the bottom, you will get it. Let me show you. Okay, if you notice here, B as in boy 1227, and open in the outside air temperature circuit. After we're going to fix this short here for the open in the open in an outside air temperature, which is this is related to. If we fix this will go away. We're going to have 2 codes: the static camera aiming incomplete, millimeter wave radar aiming incomplete, those 2 codes, and also we're going to look for rear shelf low frequency antenna circuit. After that, we come back and see what happened. But this is the result of the repair. So the result of our diagnosis, we will continue. Hope we are in the right direction. If you want to see the first video, 2022 Honda Accord radar system malfunction, what you need to do with those codes. It's going to be part 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.